Question number 8 of exercise 3.7 is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then find the angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. As you can see here, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and the value of angle A is 4y plus 20 and angle B is here 3y minus 5, angle C is here minus 4x and angle D is here minus 7x plus 5. So student, we have to find all the angles and all the angles in the form of variables x and y. So let's see which property we will use here, student, for finding the values of x and y. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, is there any specific property for cyclic quadrilateral? Yes, as we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. It means opposite angles are supplementary, as we learned in class 9th also. So we will apply this property for finding the values of x and y. Here student, angle opposite to A is angle C and angle opposite to B is angle D. So angle A plus angle C equal 180 degree and angle B plus angle D equal 180 degree by using this property. Now we will substitute the values of angle A and angle B. The value of angle A is here 4y plus 20 and the angle of C is here minus 4x, which is equal to 180 degree. Let's simplify this. First we will write x term, then y term, and this plus 20 when shift into right hand side it will convert into negative sign, minus 4x plus 4y equal 160 degree. Now student, we can easily take 4 common, minus x plus y equal 160 degree minus x plus y equal 160 degree upon 4 minus x plus y equal, when you cancel this you will get 40 degree, and this one is your equation number 1. Now simplify for B and D also. Angle B is here 3y minus 5 as given in the diagram, plus angle D is your minus 7x plus 5 equals to 180 degree. Simplify this, 3y minus 5 plus minus 7x plus 5 equal 180 degree. Student, again we will arrange this minus 5 cancel with this plus 5. First we will write x term, then y term equals to 180 degree. This one is your equation number 2. Now we will simplify both the equation. Here from 1 minus x plus y equal 40 degree, and from 2 minus 7x plus 3y equal 180 degree. Again we are using here elimination method. For eliminating x, as you can see here, in both the equation x coefficient are having same sign but coefficients are different. So we will multiply this first equation by 7 and 7 equation by 1. What we will get? We will get minus 7x plus 7y equal to 80. And in second equation, as it is, because we are multiplying here by 1, so there is no change since sign are same. So we will subtract both the equation. When you subtract both the equation, this sign will convert into positive sign, and this minus 7x cancel with this plus 7x, 7y minus 3y, what you will get? 4y equals 2. 280 minus 180, what you will get? You will get 100 degree. So y equal 100 degree upon 4, it means 25 degree. The value of y is 25 degree. Now we will substitute the value of y in equation 1. Minus x plus 25 equal 40 degree. So minus x equal 40 degree minus 25 minus x equal, we will get 15 degree. So the value of x is here minus 15 degree. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. And with the help of this x and y, now we will find all the angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. Angle A is given 4y plus 20 degree. So let's substitute the value of y. 4 into 25 degree plus 20 degree. 25 4s are 100. 100 plus 20, we will get 120 degree. Angle B is equals to 3y minus 5. 3 within bracket 25 degree minus 5. We will get 75 minus 5 degree. It means 70 degree. And angle C is your minus 4x minus 4 into minus 15 degree minus minus plus, and 15 4s are 60 degree. Angle B is minus 7x plus 5 minus 7 minus 15 degree plus 5 equals to, student, minus minus will convert into positive sign, and 15 sevens are, what we will get? We will get 105 degree plus 5, which is equal to 110 degree. And you can easily check also, when you add this angle A with this angle C, 120 plus 60, you will get 180 degree. And when you add this angle B with this angle D, you will get again 180 degree.